We're gonna make some fun tacky tiger print nails inspired by Moroney. The base of our design is gonna be Izemi SG-070. It's a really pretty Aurora glitter. I didn't want to go with a silver or a gold. I wanted something that would really let the orange jelly colors shine through and not compete with it too much. So I do a little slip layer and then just float on a slightly denser layer, because why have less sparkle when you can have more, you know? Like, don't get crazy. It's not replacing an apex or structure. We just want to make sure that we're getting the most bang for our buck. Go ahead and cure that, and then we're gonna add a layer of Nail Thoughts tortoise shell, and then we're gonna do that over the entire nail, and then cure it. Vertical gradients are the easiest gradients, especially when you're using two colors that work together. So once this is cured, you're gonna add some orange tiny gel, which is a really pretty like deep orange syrup, and we're gonna put that on the outer thirds of the nail, feathering it in towards the center, but leaving that center more of the light orange color. And you really don't want the product to get away from you, so I recommend having a little palette close by so you can tap off excess and clean off your brush when you need to. Don't cure the dark orange. You're gonna go in again with your tortoise shell color and use that to create the blend. So we're just gonna take the bottle brush and just blend that tortoise shell color in the center of the nail. Once it looks good, go ahead and cure it, and then you're gonna do that gradient effect all over again. So same thing we did before, dark orange on the outside, blend it in the center with the tortoise shell color. Go ahead and cure that, and then add a layer of Presto Pre-Art Gel and cure that. Stamping has the unique ability to look incredibly easy, but be the most difficult thing ever. So I'm taking my Twinkled T stamping polish and just doing the standard polish, swipe, pick it up on my stamper, and we're just gonna put it on the top. My friend Sashani has a very good look and learn stamping class that I highly recommend. But we're just doing a little standard stamp here. And I missed a little bit on the edge, so I'm just adding a little bit more stripes on the edge. Stamping polish dries so fast, but make sure it's dry before you go in with your no-wipe top coat. But once you've got that, go ahead and cure it, and you are done, and you've got a beautiful tacky tiger nail. As per usual, full product breakdown and tutorial on the blog at rachelmessick.com. Thanks for hanging.